What is up, my YouTube family? The Prince of Tutorials is back with another video, and today I will be teaching you all Excel tips and tricks. This will be especially useful for college students. With that, let us begin. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to add an equation on Excel. So, in this circumstance, we have a set of data which involves a loose string, a medium string, and a CIF string, and we have the extension of that string and the mass of that string. So we need an equation to actually find the force of the string. How do we go about doing this, and how do we input the equation into Excel? This is what I will be showing you today. So guys, approximately the next 30 seconds you can tune out if you dislike physics or science in general. In this part of the video, I'll just be going over the equation we need to calculate the force. So, to calculate force is equal to mass times acceleration. And in this situation, the acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared. So we need to take our mass values and multiply that by 9.8 meters per second squared. And then we need to input this into the force column. Sorry for that short physics discussion. I truly apologize. I know it can definitely be hard for some students, but nonetheless, let's get into inputting this equation. So, how do we actually go about doing this? We click on the cell we want. So in this case, we want to input our equation in this cell, right? So we double click on it, click the equal sign, and then for the equation we know it's mass times 9.8. So we can go about doing this two ways. We can either enter in B3, which is the cell number of the mass we want, B3, or you can actually just click on that cell and it gets highlighted. And then we need to multiply that by 9.8. After we do this, we just hit enter. Ta-da! Your 0.025 mass has been multiplied by 9.8. And now, the best of all, I'm going to show you a really nice trick. We want all of these values to be multiplied by 9.8. However, we don't want to continue entering in mass times 9.8, mass times 9.8 for each and every cell. So in order to save some time, what we can do is we can click on this and we can drag this down here and just release. Ta-da! Everything's been multiplied by 9.8. In my next video, I will be showing you all how to actually create a graph on Excel, and specifically a trick that most college students need to know is how to add multiple lines on one graph. Usually, taking this data, we do loose as one graph, medium as one graph, and stiff as one graph. These are the types of springs we have. However, if we want all of these springs on one graph, how do we actually go about doing this? Well, stay tuned for my next video. And remember, the Prince of Tutorials will be back. Peace out.